Well, hello there, kids. I'm Snake Henry, and I'm here to show you some of my favorite videos. Today, I want to show you some of our most unusual competitions. Just the weirdest ones we've ever done. Enjoy!
You're watching the Choo Choo channel. Fun videos for kids.
Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Ensign, Mystery Ensigns. We were just changing the batteries on some of our ensigns when we wondered what would the ensigns compete like without their outer sills on. There's no mini at the end of the track today, so in order to win, the ensign must completely push its opponent off the end of the track.
This is great! We just get to sit back today and watch. I can't even tell who these engines are without their top halves on. That's part of the fun, trying to guess who they are.
I'm super good at figuring it out. How about you kids at home? Do you know which engines are which? If you know who any of the engines are, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below.
We'll need to find out. The engines look pretty funny looking. It'll be interesting to see how they compete against each other. I'm glad they're the ones getting taken apart today and not us.
Let's begin the quarterfinals. Do-over. I guess these ensigns have a hard time competing without their buffers. And now it's time to see who you are. It's Charlie, and now he's all back together again. Let's continue the quarterfinals. Now who could this be? It's Diesel 10 and Pincy. Ooh, now we've got a AA battery. Let's see how it competes. Do-over. Oh, who's this? It's Emily.
I could tell that was Emily. There's not many engines with green wheels.
That yellow engine must be Bill or Ben.
That's totally Ben. No way. I say it's Bill.
Which engine lost this time? Oh, hi Spencer. 4 engines are out, and here are the 4 semi-finalists. Let's see what these 2 engines can do. Oh, we've got to do that again. There's no mini at the end of the track today. Oh, thank goodness that there's no mini at the end of the track. I hear they do pretty awful things to minis here. Oh, so close. Time for a redo. All right, you two, play nice. That's more like it. It's Hero. This engine is going to the finals and will face the winner of these 2. I think I might know who this is. It's Stafford. He's tough to beat. It's the final round. Okay, try again. Again. Wow, that's impressive.
Whoa, that was so cool! He plowed over him like a bulldozer!
Which engine is this that came so close to winning? It's Timothy! Then which one is our winner? It's Ben! He thinks he's a bulldozer today. Ben's bottom half is the winner! Here, have some tops. Those ensigns are pretty crazy without their buffers. What did you think of this video? Leave us a comment. I loved watching that competition. It was amazing to see all those silly trains without their tops on. Now, welcome to the Thomas Thomas and Friends, which is a tug-of-war. World's strongest engine. Tug-of-war competition. Yep, that's right. For the first time ever, we have a rope tied to the back of 2 engines. And whichever engine can pull itself off the end of the track is the winner. Whoa, this could get really interesting. Starting things off, it's Diesel 10 versus Ferdinand.
If either one of us had a tug-of-war against the Joker, we'd totally win.
Next up, Stanley versus Toby.
Wow, I can't believe Stanley beat Toby. Toby's the best, he always wins.
And now we have Lady versus Hank on Hank's first time ever on the Choo channel. Hank is a super cool engine. He's really neat. He appeared in an episode of Thomas and Friends. Do any of you smart kids know the name of that episode? If so, leave a comment below and tell me. Wow! Lady is so strong, it's amazing! Finishing off the quarterfinals, it's Sir Handel versus Mike. Whoa! Did you see that? Sir Handel just totally took Mike off with him! It was so awesome! Semi-finals, Stanley versus Ferdinand. Stanley pulls himself to the finals. But who will he face? Sir Handel or Lady?
It's time for the final round. I'm so thrilled.
Me too! Final round, Sir Handel versus Stanley. Whoa, that is quite the battle going on here. I can't wait to see who wins this one. Sir Handel, don't be such a sore loser. Calm down, you don't have to cry. Stanley wins the first ever tug-of-war competition. Great job, Stanley! Woohoo! Wow, that tug-of-war was amazing! Now, up next is a really cool episode of the Diesels versus the Steamies.
One day, all of the mini diesel engines gathered for a meeting to try to determine who was the strongest engine of all the Trackmaster engines who had competed in hundreds of competitions. Some thought it might be Freddy. Some thought it might be Mavis. And others even thought Rusty was the strongest engine.
Wait. What about Belle? I think she's the strongest.
Belle certainly had an excellent track record, and they took a vote and all agreed that no one was stronger than Belle. But over on the other side of the track, the Mini Thomas engines heard this discussion, and they had their own opinion.
How could you guys forget about Boco? He's one of your diesel engines, and no one can beat him. The guy's a tank. He's unstoppable. Boco's good, but Belle's still better. You guys are wrong, and we're gonna prove it to you. Meet us tomorrow at the track, and we'll settle this thing once and for all.
And so the next day, the Minis gathered with their engines so that they could finally determine who is stronger, Boco or Belle. This was clearly going to be quite the battle. Belle took the early lead, but in a World's Strongest Engine competition, anything can happen, and you don't know who the winner is until an engine falls off the track. Belle had pushed Boco all the way to the far end of the track, but she couldn't quite seem to be able to push him over the edge. It was already the longest of any World's Strongest Engine competition ever. BOCO found himself at the far end of the track, but he just refused to give up. Belle kept fighting and fighting and fighting until finally she knocked him over the edge.
Oh no! Ha! We called that one! You're right, we sure did! That doesn't prove anything. Did you see how close that was? Let's do a rematch! Okay! Rematch time!
And so they gathered back BOCO and Belle for a rematch. This time, BOCO took the early lead.
Okay, we'll have to prove this another way then. Belle is so strong that she could knock over one of your Thomas engines without her top half even being on. And just to make it interesting, let's put a Thomas Mini and a Diesel Mini at the end of the track, and the one on the losing side will fall into a mud pit. Okay, sounds good to us. Game on!
And so, Belle's top half was removed, and Santa Thomas Mini was placed at one end of the track, and Charleston Choo Diesel at the other. The Mud Pit Challenge was set to begin with Thomas versus Belle's bottom half. Down went Santa Thomas right into the mud.
Ho, ho, ho! Nothing wrong with a little mud bath.
But he never expected that someone wanted to come over and sit on Santa's lap.
Oh, cool! It's a worm! He's kind of like me! Since I'm a snake, he's cute!
Or perhaps more like crawl on Santa.
Okay now, I think it's best you leave Santa alone. You don't want to end up on the naughty list, do you? BOCO doesn't need his top half to win either. He could totally beat Belle if they both had their tops off. Alright, fine. Same minis at the end of the track. Losing mini falls into a bucket of ice water.
And so the minis agreed to the new competition, and BOCO's top half was removed for the Ice Bucket Challenge. Down went Charleston Choo Diesel into the icy cold water.
It's so cold in here. Help, get me out.
Well, at least he knew how to swim.
Alright, let's settle this BOCO and Belle thing once and for all. We're gonna line up 7 Thomas Minis, 7 Diesel Minis, put them at the end of the track, bring back the mud pit, and whoever's wrong is gonna end up in the mud. That works for us. I hope you like the mud.
So 7 Thomas Minis were placed at one end of the track behind BOCO's bottom half, and behind Belle's bottom half were 7 Diesel Mini engines for the Mega Mud Pit Challenge. It was quite the battle, but once BOCO started going, the Diesel Minis fell one by one.
Oh man, yuck, this is gross. I hate mud. We surrender, we surrender.
And with that, they concluded that BOCO must be the world's strongest engine.